Okay, good morning. I would like to change my complete wiper blades. The flipper which scrape water is gone. This has been 10 years, so I replaced the whole thing. Oh, this is the whole replacement. This was the one that was removed, the thin one, the one that will scrape the water. This is gone. So this is 10 years, so I will be replacing the whole assembly with the new one. So I will now try to install. I'll be removing the old one. I removed the old one. The scraper is also worn out, it's gone. So I will be replacing with exact replacement. This is the old one, this is the new one. This is the scraper. So for the old one, the scraper is gone. So they are exact. So I'll be placing the passenger, what do you call this, wiper blade. Seen already? And it's locked. Okay. It's done, guys. So these are the old wiper blades assembly. This is the driver side. This is the passenger side. The scraper is actually gone. it was disconnected. This has been used for 10 years. But these are original things. We could still use this one because the assembly is still intact. The only thing here is just replace the blade. So I will try to hide this one. Okay. I could still use this one by inserting a new wiper blade because this is actually the whole wiper blade assembly. We could actually replace the wiper blade, but that's another thing. So what I did, I just bought the whole assembly, then flip it to install it. Okay, good morning from Los Angeles. This is Professor David Jellebre.